Yo guys, Kevin Cesario with the C Group. Today we're here at 24865 Outlook, this ridiculous house in beautiful Carmel, California. This place is gorgeous at the top of the hill with incredible ocean views. You can see all of Point Lobos. You can see into the Carmel Cove, and honestly, this lot is fantastic. The home is over 4,500 square foot, 4 beds, 3 baths, a media room. It's crazy. Come on, let's go check it out. So I wasn't kidding about the ocean views. This place is ridiculous. Every single room in this house has beautiful panoramic views of the ocean, the hills, the forest. It's gorgeous. But the inside is spectacular as well. Engineered hardwood floors throughout. Beautiful updates everywhere. Plastering is gorgeous. This place is impeccable. You gotta see it. This modern kitchen is spectacular. All the finishes are absolutely gorgeous. From the farmhouse sink to the beautiful quartz countertops, everything is impeccable. And the views from this room, oh my God, you cannot beat them. I can just imagine sitting and hosting all my friends around this table, having a glass of wine and looking at the sunset over the bay. This is spectacular. And how would you like to enjoy your morning cup of coffee in this beautiful dining room? It's absolutely spectacular. Open concept with incredible views. I can just imagine getting cozy in the morning, having a cup of joe, looking at the waves crashing on Point Lobos, or entertaining a huge group of people on a birthday or special holiday. This home is perfect for entertaining, but also cozy and relaxing to enjoy the natural scenery. And if you think the insides are nice, the outside is spectacular. Decks positioned all around the house, maximizing the views, getting great natural sunlight, open space with a gully next to it. I'm listening to the birds chirp, nature plentiful, and everything is spectacular. And imagine waking up in the morning with these spectacular views. What a great way to start your day. This primary bedroom and bathroom are breathtaking. You gotta come see it to believe it. And this house is too big to show it all in one video, but I wanted to show you one of the guest rooms just to give you an example of how everything is spectacular. Every room in the house has epic views, beautiful finishes, and natural sunlight. And it wouldn't be an epic house worthy of MTV Cribs without this awesome media room. Tucked down below, away from the main house, you can make as much noise as you want and not disturb anyone upstairs. Alright, so if you're interested in seeing this epic property at the top of the hill in Carmel with fantastic ocean views, gorgeous remodeling, and epic space, give me a call. I'd love to show it to you.